everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Sarthak Show, where we discuss about tech, career, product and life. And in this special SQL series, we are working towards understanding the query part of it. So till now we have understood different parameters, different things that we can do on the MySQL part. So till now what we have understood is creating the databases, creating a table, inserting data into the table, retrieving the data from the table, updating the column, updating the rows in the table, and also certain special things like aliasing the names of the column or name of the table. In this special lecture, we are going to understand about how you can query the data in a very specific format. There are often use cases you want to extract unique results, right? You want to extract very distinct results, right? So there is a very special keyword in the MySQL, which is distinct, where you can extract the data of distinct identities or maybe unique identities. Let me give you the syntax for that and it will help you understand it better. So select distinct column name and now from table name. Right, what this basically means is that you can extract out distinct details. So let's say in our table, let me give you an example of that and you will understand better. Let me just put all the data on the table screen and that will select star from students to. Right, I have a lot of data, right? But there are certain entries that are not distinct. So let's say there are only married and single as an entry, or there are Sarthak Jain, 𝐁𝐞𝐜𝐤𝐬𝐭𝐚𝐫 twice, Kevin twice, there is Rohan, JD single. So if I want to remove all the redundant entries and get only one unique value or get unique values out of this, what I can do is I can use this distinct command. So let me give an example. Select distinct column name, let's say name, distinct name from students to. Right, all the distinct name. Now we had entries from here to here, but only 5 names were unique out of it. I can also get it in the terms of date of birth. So let me try on the date of birth. Instead of name, I'm going to mention date of birth as the column. I only got 4 entries. These are the 4 entries of date of birth that were unique in this column. Interestingly, if you want to find out unique set of values, but in terms of unique combination of multiple columns, you can mention both of the columns simultaneously. What this means is basically you can write, let's say I want to write date of birth combination with score. Right, so 25 have come twice because there was one with entry 50 and one with entry 100. So the combination of these columns, the rows are distinct by nature. Individual values may or may not be distinct, but the combination is distinct is what it means. Let me just put it in the sample command space. Sample command. We got distinct names and we got distinct date of birth. But what if we want to use the syntax for multiple columns? Select distinct column name 1, comma, column name 2, and so on and so forth from table name. Yes, that's it. Let me just put the sample command as we have already understood this. The command. Right, this is how you understand this. A very interesting keyword that is also present in MySQL is about count. So let's say you want to count the entries in the table. You can do a count as well. You can use this count clause or keyword from MySQL, which will give you the count of rows. in that column. So you can count things as well. So let me give you an example of that. So where am I? Select count. This is the keyword count star from ideally this is not star but this is column, right? Okay, this is the simple query that we use that we often use to understand the count of as well. So let me give you an example of that. In our table, select writing count. I'm just doing count star because I'm not putting any condition on the query column. I had count star from students to, right? We have 8 entries right now, right? So this generally gives you count star. Now I want to use the previous lecture's understanding and I want to call it count star as count of students. I can use that and enter this. So count students is 8. So if I want to get count star from students to, let's say I want to go that and where, so let's say score is greater than 70. I can do that, right? See, only 3 students have greater than 70, right? Say 80, 100, 80. These are the 3 scores which are greater than 70, and this is the count that we have given. So you can use that as well. Let me just quickly put this into simple command. Select count star. What I did. This is what I did next. And lastly, I added this query where you put it with where condition, right? So yeah, this is the count command that we use. I hope you enjoyed this video and understood about distinct and count as functions. We'll come up with the next set of videos where I will show the distinct and count using together. If you really like this video, share it among your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.